Hello and welcome to the Flip Classroom on identifying integers, absolute value, and opposites. For this lesson, you will need Think Up, page 20. Let's start by understanding what is an integer. An integer is a whole number anywhere from 0 to positive or negative infinity. We know that integers include the set of whole numbers and their opposites. Examples of the set of integers are -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. You may see integers on the number line. Some real-life examples of integers would include things like distance. We know to go forward is positive, but to go backward is negative. Temperature. Above 0 degrees is positive, but below 0 degrees is negative. Profit. To gain profit is positive, but to lose or have deficit is negative. Direction. Up is positive, down is negative. Bank account. A deposit is positive, but a withdrawal is negative. Acceleration. Accelerate is positive, decelerate is negative. Those are just a few examples. Now to page 20. Remember to use highlighters or color pencils on page 20 to highlight important words at the top of the page. Let's identify the opposite of a number. Opposite numbers are two numbers that are the same distance from 0 on the number line, but on opposite sides of 0. 0 is its own opposite. We know that 3 and -3 are opposites because they are both 3 units from 0, but on opposite sides of 0. Let's identify the absolute value of a number. The absolute value of a number is the distance to a number from 0 on the number line. Since the distance cannot be negative, absolute value is always positive. The absolute value of 0 is 0. Here is the symbol for absolute value. We know that the absolute value of +3 is +3 because +3 is 3 away from 0. We also know that the absolute value of -3 is +3 because -3 is 3 away from 0. Pause the video and do the try it on your own. Come back and see if your answers are correct. Alrighty, let's review. We're going to use the number line to solve these problems. Number 1, what is the absolute value of 4? In order to see the absolute value of 4, we would need to understand the distance of 4 from 0. We know that 4 is 4 spaces away from 0, so therefore the absolute value of 4 is +4. What is the absolute value of -5? In order to find the absolute value, we need to know the distance away from 0. -5 is 5 away from 0. So the absolute value of -5 is +5. Remember, the symbol for absolute values are the 2 line notations on each side of the number. What is the absolute value of 1? Well, I know that 1 is 1 space away from 0. So therefore, the absolute value of +1 is +1. Let's find the absolute value of -2. The distance from -2 to 0 is 2. Therefore, the absolute value of -2 is +2. Remember, absolute value is always positive. Let's talk about the opposites. What is the opposite of -4? Remember, in order to find the opposites, these two numbers should be the same distance away from 0. So the opposite of -4 is going to be +4 because both -4 and +4 are each 4 units away from 0. What is the opposite of +1? Well, the opposite of +1 is -1 because both are 1 away from 0. What is the opposite of +5? Well, the opposite of +5 is -5 because both +5 and -5 are 5 units away from 0. Which number has its own opposite? Well, we know the number that has its own opposite is 0 because 0 is 0 spaces away from 0. Please make sure you glue down these notes in the appropriate place that your teacher asks you to. Use these notes in order to answer other questions on integers and absolute value. Have a great day.